Alright, so I'm here at Sterling Dodge Chrysler Jeep in Opelousas, Louisiana to pick up my new car. One thing I need to tell you about these guys is they took care of me. I shopped within 100 miles of my house and I couldn't find any other Dodge dealerships that would give me attention that would take care of my needs. These guys did 100%. And as you can see, it's a 2021 Dodge Charger Scat Pack. So I special ordered it. They helped me from the beginning all the way to the end through delivery. Everything was great. Got the Dynamics package on it. Got the Plus Group interior package, the red Alcantara interior, as well as the adaptive suspension. Super happy with it. For appearance and maybe some performance mods as well. There's some pictures of the ceramic coating once it's done at the end of this video, so stick around. You know, one of the hardest things is going to be the break-in period. First 150 miles, supposed to not get the RPMs over 3,500, and I'm not supposed to drive it over 55 miles an hour. So right here when I was merging onto the interstate from the dealership, even though I was in economy mode, I got up to 73 before I even knew it. So had to back it down, and I've done pretty good breaking it in, almost to 200 miles now. And from 150 to 300, you can go 75 miles an hour and get the RPMs up a little higher. So daily driving this thing back and forth to work, so we'll get used to it as we move on. But I think I did pretty well breaking it in the first couple hundred miles. In addition to what I've already mentioned, we'll be doing some car shows and visiting some cars and coffees around the state as well. Hope you enjoy the content. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button and that notification bell.
It sound right, boys.
And we will see you next time.